Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And today I want to show you how to install these beautiful wallpapers on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Get ready. Okay, we go on studio. The Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime is here. As you see, it's so beautiful. This phone is unbelievable on 2019. And on this phone, there are many things that you can see. This screen is also unbelievable. Samsung Galaxy S10 is now available. There are many things into where you can discover it. Let me to show you now these beautiful wallpapers. As you see, this is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpapers. Wonderful phone for you. Let's go to make the test review right now. Look at beautiful phone for you. Wow. Okay. Firstly, look at my wallpapers. To look at, you can put these wallpapers directly to your screen. Look at. Wow. I like it. I like this. I like this. It's so nice. Look at, set as wallpaper. Home screen. Woo! Look at that. Have you seen? It's so great. And it's so nice also. Okay, let's see this. Wonderful. Again, beautiful. Look at another wallpaper. Go back. For example, this. Select this. Set as wallpaper on your beautiful lock screen here. Set as wallpaper, lock screen. Woo! Beautiful. Look at that. Again, wonderful. Wow, not bad. As you see, it's so nice and it's so great. How to install this, how to download this, let me show you this right now. Let's go. Okay, to do this, you need to have connection and you need to go on your browser. Look at, for example, Google Chrome, and on your beautiful Google Chrome, go on Google website. Google, okay, Google, and click on images. Enter here Galaxy S10 wallpaper, and as you see, many wallpapers is here in front of you. Now, do this. You can hold to click on download image. Download image. Go back again. Let's switch another wallpapers. Do this. This is next wallpapers. Do the same action. And download also. I like it. Go back. What else? Not bad wallpapers. But you can download now. Do this. And download. Wonderful. I like it. Alright. Now we can continue. Go back again. Let's see another under. Okay. Alright. Now go on a gallery, and on a gallery you can see the wallpaper that you have downloaded. Look at this. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 wallpapers directly in front of you. I have downloaded this and this. Let's try this. Alright, now let's see the first wallpapers here. The first this. Okay, go back and it's here. Alright, put this on your beautiful home screen. Look at, wow, it's so nice. Look at this, bro. It's unbelievable. Set as wallpaper. Home page. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Wow. It's so nice. On a beautiful Samsung Galaxy S10 Prime is possible. Wow, I like this. Okay, let's test the next. The next is here. The next is this wallpapers here. Okay, go back. Now let's localize this wallpaper. Where is he? Wallpaper is here. This. Okay, almost at then. Let's see on Google if you can see this. Let's see this wallpapers. Let's find. Okay, it's here. Look at, it's here. Do the same action. Download. Go again. Here. Localize the wallpaper and do the same action. Set as wallpaper. Home screen. Wonderful. Wow, you can adjust to this. Wow, I like it. I like it. Okay, wonderful. And set as wallpaper. Home screen. And it's done. Wow, look at that, bro. It's so nice and so beautiful. Wow, what is the best wallpaper for you now? What the hell? It's so great. It's so nice. I like it. Okay, let's go to test the next. Okay, look at here. Okay, it's here. I'll test this, the one, and I'll install this, the second, and this. Now to finish. Yes, get ready, bro. Get ready. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. Now localize the wallpapers. Okay, I have downloaded this. There are two colors, this color and this color. Let's select add wallpapers and put now on your beautiful lock screen. Then lock screen. Okay, click on set add wallpaper. Wonderful lock screen. Woo, it's here. Look at that. Look at that. Not bad. So nice. You can also choose the same wallpaper to put on your home screen. Like that. Wow. It's great. I think that is great. I think that is so nice. So beautiful. What do you think about this? I like it. I like this. Wow. It's so great. Have you seen? You know how to install this wallpapers now directly on your phone. And there are many wallpapers for you. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is now available. You can see this phone. I have made a live stream today on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Now subscribe today, subscribe now for the next video. I will show you how to install this wallpaper directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 3. I like this wallpaper. This wallpaper here is my preference. Wow, it's my best. I like this. Wow, so great. Look at this. I like this. Wow, look at, wonderful. Thank you for watching. If you like, click on like, subscribe, and share this video. Now, God bless you. You can also make donation on PayPal for me. Under this video, the link is here. Get ready. Wow, so nice. It's so great. Wow, I like it. Subscribe today for more videos. Let's go.